Eknath Shinde is speaking, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister.
दुर्दैवी घटना आज महाराष्ट्रात घडली आहे. खरं म्हणजे असं कुणाच्या स्वप्नातही वाटलं नसेल की अजितदादा एवढ्या लवकर आपल्यातून जातील. ही महाराष्ट्रासाठी अतिशय दुःखद आणि दुर्दैवी घटना अजितदादांच्या जाण्याने झालेली आहे.
Eknath Shinde saying this is a very, very sad and tragic turn of events.
अजितदादा गेले अनेक वर्ष या महाराष्ट्राच्या राजकारणात नेतृत्व करत होते.
For the last many years,
आणि
Ajit Dada Pawar has been at the forefront of Maharashtra politics as a tall leader.
परखड स्पष्ट वक्तेपणा
Candid, straight
आणि
talking,
प्रशासनावर असलेली त्यांची
and a very, very
आपण पाहिलेली
able,
आहे.
hard-working administrator.
प्रत्येक गोष्टीचा त्यांना बारीक अभ्यास करून बोलण्याची सवय होती.
His politics was
आणि
practiced.
परखड स्पष्ट वक्तेपणा, निर्भीड, रोखठोक बोलणारे
He
असले
was fearless,
तरी
would
सुद्धा
speak his
चूक
mind,
त्याला चूक म्हणणारे असले तरी सुद्धा
and if he
अतिशय
were
मनाने
and
ते
never
निर्मळ
deterring
होते.
from admitting
त्याचा अनुभव मी
his
स्वतः
mistakes,
घेतलेला आहे. त्यांच्यासोबत
ready to
मी
take responsibility for
मंत्रिमंडळात
both
देखील काम
achievements
केलं.
and failures.
मी मुख्यमंत्री असताना त्यांनी उपमुख्यमंत्री म्हणून देखील काम केलं.
He was deputy
आणि
chief minister when I was chief minister.
जेव्हा मुख्यमंत्री मी असताना मुख्यमंत्री माझी लाडकी बहीण योजना किंबहुना इतरही योजना जेव्हा आम्ही सुरू केल्या तेव्हा आर्थिक जे
And he
काही
backed and
घडी आहे
supported all the
किंवा आर्थिक
initiatives
तरतूद जी आहे,
like Ladki Behan
ती अतिशय
that were undertaken
उत्तमपणे,
during my
उत्तमपणे,
tenure as chief minister.
त्यांनी
He
त्यावेळेस
ensured
केली.
funds were available. He ensured that
आणि
the implementation
त्याचा
of these
अनुभव मला आहे.
schemes
आणि एकदा
went
करायचं
about as
ठरवलं की
planned.
ते अजितदादा करायचे. करतो, बघतो, पाहतो असे शब्द त्यांच्या डिक्शनरीत नव्हते.
and he was always a person who would say if it's got to be done, it will be done.
असं स्पष्ट
There were
वक्तेपणा
no ifs, buts and
या
maybes in
महाराष्ट्राने
his
पाहिलेला आहे.
lexicon and his language.
मी असेन, मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्रजी असतील, अजितदादा असतील, आम्ही टीम म्हणून काम केलं.
We
टीम
worked as
म्हणून
a
काम
team.
करतो.
And we worked
आमच्या
together.
वेळाही कामाच्या वेगवेगळ्या आम्ही पहाटे उशिरापर्यंत काम करतो. अजितदादा पहाटे लवकर काम सुरू करतात. देवेंद्रजी दिवसभर काम करतात. आणि अजितदादांनी 6-6 वाजता देखील अपॉइंटमेंट दिलेल्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी आणि लोकप्रतिनिधींनी पाहिलेल्या आहेत.
So he was one of the most hard-working leaders I've known. We all worked
आणि वेळेचं भान ठेवणार
round the clock. He
नेता
has given, there are officials who would confirm this, that he has given appointments as early as 6 a.m. in the morning.
काल परवाच आमची एका कार्यक्रमामध्ये भेट झाली. सरन्यायाधीश आपले भारताचे
I just met him the day before
मुंबईत आले होते.
at a function.
आणि ते
in
येण्यापूर्वी
Mumbai.
आम्ही तिथंच एका चेंबरमध्ये बसलो होतो. आणि त्यावेळेस झालेल्या चर्चा, गप्पा गोष्टी
And we were sitting together in a
आजही सकाळी
chamber.
जेव्हा मला त्यांची ही घटना
We had a
कळली,
couple of we had
तेच
an
समोर
in-depth conversation about work and
त्याच
otherwise.
आठवणी काल परवाच्या येऊ लागल्या. खरं म्हणजे माझ्यापेक्षा ते राजकारणात देखील अनुभवी नेते गेल्या अनेक वर्षापासूनचा त्यांचा अनुभव
No one would have thought that
वयाने
this would,
देखील
such
माझ्यापेक्षा
would be
ते
the
मोठे
turn of
होते.
events in such a short span of
आणि
time. I still
अनुभवाने
remember and I will always remember my last
आणि म्हणून
conversation with
त्यांना
him. We have lost a very, very able administrator too
राज्यातल्या
soon.
अनेक विषयांचा गाढा अभ्यास होता.
And he was
अनेक
aware
विभाग त्यांनी
of some of the
हाताळले
most complex and
त्याचा राज्याला फायदा
even the
होतो.
basic nitty-gritties
मंत्रिमंडळात
of
देखील
affairs relating to
ज्यावेळेस
Maharashtra.
काही विषय यायचे त्यावेळेस आपल्या राज्याची आर्थिक परिस्थिती अशी आहे, आपल्याला सर्वांना काटकसर करावी लागेल अशी अगदी निर्भीडपणे सांगणारे अजितदादा
He is somebody who always spoke his mind, fearless and ready to do what is required in order for the betterment and the progress of Maharashtra.
आणि त्यामुळे त्यांच्या जाण्याने फक्त पवार कुटुंबियांचंच नाही तर संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्राचं न भरून येणारं नुकसान झालेलं आहे.
And it's
आणि
not just the Pawar family
माझ्यापेक्षा वयाने
or
मोठे
the
असल्यामुळे
NCP
एक
or the party,
जी काय आमची
but all of
गेल्या
Maharashtra
अनेक
has lost
वर्षापासूनची जवळीक निर्माण
a
झाली
true
होती.
son and a good leader.
त्यामुळे राजकारणातले आम्ही तिघजण एक टीम म्हणून काम करत असलो तरी सुद्धा एक
We've
मोठा
always
भाऊ
worked together as a team.
हरपल्याची गेल्याची भावना देखील दुःख देखील माझ्या मनामध्ये आहे.
And it will hurt me because we worked together
त्यांना भावपूर्ण
as one team. He was like an elder brother
आदरांजली
in that team, and I feel that. I will feel that loss. This loss
मनामध्ये
hurts
फार
me, and I
दुःखाच्या
express my
भावना आहेत.
deepest condolences and offer my
त्यांचं
Shraddhanjali.
कुटुंब हे दुःख पचवण्याची क्षमता
We hope that the family has the courage to be able to brave this, to be able to bear this loss and then still move on. Heart will also be going out to amongst a lot of the politicians, to the octogenarian Sharad Pawar, who really loved his nephew and saw him as his political legatee. He was torn between his love for Supriya Sule, who he wanted to be placed and secured politically, and somewhere it was decided that Ajit Dada Pawar would be the state face of the NCP, whereas Supriya Sule would ply the politics at a national level. Tehseen Poonawalla is with us this morning. Shocking turn of events. Rajesh Tope is with us. Shaina NC is also with us. Yesha Kotak is joining us live. We'll also have Raj Punj of the Shiv Sena. Daniel Francis is with us. Arun Dhanta is with us. Yesha Kotak, you're on your way to Baramati. People of Baramati are shocked. All those who have posted that video, the horrific video of the crash, all the locals, they are saying this is something which we'll never be able to forget. This is a shocking turn of events. We've lost a big leader, and he was really loved by the people of Baramati.
Absolutely, Anand. In fact, more so, last time when we were around at Baramati, we had interviewed Ajit Pawar one-on-one. And it's even more tragic that, we head today to Baramati to cover this very tragic event. In fact, throughout the time, whatever we've experienced at Baramati, people had always credited Ajit Pawar for making Baramati to where it is. Rightly so. In fact, we also heard Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde speaking about this. His day would begin anywhere at 4 o'clock. His lineups would begin at 5 o'clock. And be it each and every small village of Baramati, people would gather, line up to meet him because they were sure that, when they would meet Ajit Dada, they would have a solution to the problem. Whoever would come to him would not be unheard. Was something that was experienced by people at Baramati, and that's where, something that you've also been speaking about, when it came to both the Pawars, be it Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar, it was quite evident that Sharad Pawar was the one who bought that place for Baramati, but Ajit Pawar was taking forward that legacy, and which was also something that was evident when it came to both the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha elections. They happened to support Sharad Pawar in the Lok Sabha and Ajit Pawar in the Vidhan Sabha election. For Baramatикars, they always saw that the Pawar family had never separated. They would in fact see both of them coming together. And for the entire Baramati, for people at Baramati, Pawar family was an extension of their own family, the kind of work that was being done. Because even recently when we saw Ajit Pawar was constantly at Baramati for the last couple of weeks. He was constantly in and around Baramati, in Pune, taking a stock of all the elections that took place, the municipal corporation elections that took place, because this was something that was very close to his heart. His work, his vision was something that was quite evident at Baramati, and for an incident like this to take place at Baramati, a place which he grew, which he in fact molded into the kind of industrial hub that it became, is in fact a tragic moment for the people in Baramati to see this so closely.
Right.
As far as incidents are concerned, when the tragic incident took place, he was taken to Baramati Medical College. All of these places have in fact been contributed and developed by the Pawar family themselves.